today's class we are going to see about linked list. So linked list is one of the list type. Is a class. It's a class which implements the list interface. You know that in collection frame, list interface is implements the collection interface. So what are all the, first of all you should know what are the properties of list interface. List interface, you know that it is indexed following the indexed order, and it is going to be having a duplicate elements. Basically it's going to be have a collection of elements. So you know that in collection framework we have generic data types like wrapper class data types, like it may be integer, float, double and string. It can accept these type of data. Specifically here we are going to discuss about linked list. Java linked list classes uses doubly linked list to store the elements. Doubly linked list, you know the structure of doubly linked list. So basically you will be having a doubly linked list. In doubly linked list you will be having a node. Any node you will be having. In the node will have three parts, which is one is your data. This is previous address, and which is going to be pointing the next address. So in this is the representation of your doubly linked list. In this case, what is the advantage of doubly linked list? You can insert and you can remove on both the ends. It's one of the advantages of doubly linked list when compared to your array list. Okay, and here this is the structure of your doubly linked list. You can add and remove on both the ends as well. If you can move forward as well, you can move backward. That means from the front end to back end, as well back end to front end. So this is the one of the advantages of your linked list. As I already said, it provides a linked list data structure, that to doubly linked list data structure. It inherits the abstract list class and implements list and DQ interfaces. So in the framework itself, you can able to understand in the array DQ and linked list both are inherits each other. That means extends each other, which means the properties of array DQ and linked list are similar. Java linked list class can contain duplicate elements. You know that list will accept the duplicate elements. So array linked list is the one of the class which implements list interface. So what are the properties of list can be incorporated or implemented by the linked list also. Java linked list class maintains insertion order. Here we don't have indexing, but anyway it is going to be maintaining the insertion order like your array list. It is non-synchronized. You know that what is synchronization. Here the array linked list is a non-synchronized list. And then in Java linked list class, manipulation is fast because no shifting is required. So which means, what do you mean by shifting? So in case if you have in your normal array, what you will do, basically what you will do in your array you have array elements, like you have 3 or 4 elements. Like consider this way, you are having 3 elements. So 1 comma 2 and then 1 2 3. These are all the 3 elements you will be having on your array. So if you are going to remove this, basically array is an index following the index order, just a 0th index value. It's the first index and then second index. If you are removing this first index value, then what will happen, Sabina? Then your second index becomes that is your removed the first index element. So the index 1, that means index 1 will element will be removed. So what happens, the whatever value have on the second index, it has to be moved or shifted from second index to first index. So this is the difficulty you are facing in array list. You know that it is a time consumption as well. It is a difficulty we are facing while we go for array list. But in this case, in linked list, if you are going to remove any one element, that will not affect the that will not, it is not going to be the continuous one. So it is going to be only you are going to change only the address of the next element. Either maybe if you are removing here, if you are going to remove this element, you are going to change only the previous element, address of the previous element, and address of the next element. So this is the way. In this way it is better, that means array linked list is better than the array list. And then next very important thing about this array list, linked list, is it can be acting as a list, stack and queue. Why I'm telling like this, Abhina, you already know that linked list is one of the list which implements the list interface. Okay, and then it can be acting as a stack and queue. Why I'm telling like that, Abhina? Then if you are going to, as I already told you, that this can implement it is the implementation of doubly linked list. So you can add the elements at different end, add and remove the elements at both the ends. In case if you are going to remove adding and removing elements in the front, in this end, Abhina, you know that this will be your top of the top, this will be your top. So you are going to adding and removing element from the top, then it obviously it is going to be considered as a stack. Okay, then but I'm not going to do this concept. Then I'll going to add the element in this end, and I'm going to remove the elements in this in the another end, and then it is going to be by default, it's going to be acting as a queue. So that's why we are telling like Java linked list can be used as a list, stack or queue. Okay, thank you.